Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook story if it's not uploading. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, let's try to go ahead and refresh our internet connection. So first up, go ahead and swipe up or swipe down, depending on your device. Now, turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it back on, okay? Now, if that still won't work, if you have mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi and just try mobile data and see which one got the stronger connection, okay? So if mobile data works perfectly fine, well, that means you have to wait until your Wi-Fi gets better. That is your ISP's job. So if that's the case, you're good to go. If not, if both Wi-Fi and mobile data still doesn't help fix the issue, well, let's go ahead and force close the app, close it. Now find the app icon, tap and hold, and tap on the app info icon. All right. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and then tap on clear data. And by the way, this was for Android users. And if you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage. Then just go and find Facebook, and that will be a big offload data or offload app button. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, follow along. Go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store. Find Facebook. If there's an update button, go ahead and update it. And then once done, open it up, upload a story, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, let's say you swipe down or open up your control center. Just make sure that you don't have ultra data saving mode, okay? Or any other saving mode for data, as aggressive data savers will halt background uploads to preserve cellular data. And there you have it. Those are the ways to fix Facebook story if it's not uploading. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.